Assalamu alaikum everyone, and Jasmy, this time is a little bit concerning for this update, and I'm going to talk about a daily RSI right here, because by each and every single passing day we have the RSI that keeps on making this extended bearish divergence. So you have the prices moving up, and there's a clear divergence of the prices on Jasmy. So there is more selling than buying going on, and even though you still have the technical target to 0.0716. Now it's still possible we may see that target being met eventually, but the thing is, it's still good to mention that the bearish divergence is actually there. So if you got some profits, I may say book some profits, because you never know about the market. So the mindset you must have is that at any given point of time, maybe cash out a little bit of money. In the future, when you start to go to the downside, at least you did get some profit out of it, okay, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Now, number two is there's this trend line still that may come into play. So from there and here, right here, okay, so this trend line has been very, very significant. So that's going to be a price of nearly 0.005730, and if you can really touch this trend line one more time and bounce off it and then go to the technical target, that's the ideal situation and the ideal scenario, because I'm not very bearish during Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays. Mondays are a little bit hard, yes, I get it. Mondays are more like stop loss hunts, take the stop losses. Tuesdays are like boom, push up. Wednesdays, Thursdays complete. The fact that you really survive the weekends is a very good sign for Jasmy, but there's still some very bad sign on the daily. Now, another thing is that you may see that the bull cross is still intact. You made the cross, you went up, you came down, you made the retest, bounced off, you went up, you come down. You may just consolidate here until you don't really finally push all the way to the upside. So keep in mind that, again, the bear scenario for me is 0.0047, and if you come down to this technical target, that's when we may have a very, very big drop. Unless we don't do that, it's still kind of good to go to the upside, but I'm still going to say be careful. Another thing is there's a squeeze about to happen, and this consolidation may take 10 more days maximum. So you're looking for that lower support trend line, and you do have the upper resistance which come into the clash until 18th of December. So you still may pop down eventually and come to the yellow box again and then try to go back up. That's also one idea. Or just bounce off the 20 EMA, break above, and just go to the technical target finally. And that's it for this Jasmy update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.